Good evening, dear students. I am Mrs. Reena Bareil, your English teacher, and we are learning notice writing. Children, in the earlier lectures, we have seen all the information, details about the rules of writing a notice, what all things to be kept in mind, what are the features of a notice, and so many things. Even I have given you the format of writing a notice, preparing or drafting a notice. Now this notice writing is for these. We are going to see some examples, and this is for classes 6th and 7th. Clear? In the earlier lecture, I have also mentioned notice writing for classes 11th and 12th. Now we are going to see this for classes 6th and 7th, and I am going to deal with some examples so that whatever theory portion we have seen, the format, how to prepare a notice for any occasion will be very clear to you all. Okay, let us see the first example written over here before you. You are ABC. Children, before that, let us revise. Okay, in the format of a notice, you have to prepare first of all a box, three-sided box. What happens when we suppose when we think that we will enclose, we will cover the notice in a box later on at the last. But what happens during the time of examination? Our mind is in tension. We may forget. So if you will not prepare the box, your marks will be deducted. Your marks will be cut. So what you have to do? You have to draw a three-sided. You can draw three-sided means from the bottom you can leave the box open. Take your ruler, scale and pencil and draw the three-sided. Cover it from left, right and the top corner, because there we are not going to write, and you know the limitation of your page from the left and right. So we can cover from these three sides at least, so that we will not forget to close the box at the end. First rule. Second, in the format we have seen, you have to write the 4 lines of the description about the body. About the body, that is, first line will be name of the school or organization. Second, notice, the heading, notice you have to write. In the third line, you have to write the date. Okay. If your face is this way, to the left hand corner near the box line, you will put up the date of writing the notice. Then below the date, again in the center, you will put the heading of the notice. Heading means whatever topic or event we are writing, preparing the notice for, that heading you will write in the center. After that, body will be there. Body means content, description. And that also I have told you that time that I will explain you how to write the body when we will see the example. So now it is the turn. I am going to explain you. In the body, what you will do? You will simply mention 4 to 5 lines in 2 paragraphs. Only you will cover the notice in 2 paragraphs. And I tell you, it is the simplest of all the compositions in your grammar book. Okay. If you see all other compositions, right? Composition section means writing essay, letter writing, poster making, debate, report, speech and all. If you see all these topics, story writing, paragraph writing, essay writing, this you will find notice, message and poster making. These 3 are very simple and interesting also. Okay. So here what you have to do? Very short and sweet language you have to use. We have written all the rules. And you will not use any complimentary language. No complete sentences are required there. Short and sweet language, you may be able to express what you want to say. So the body you will divide into 2 paragraphs. Okay, let us begin. On the spot, I will make it clear to you. Okay, so let us start with preparing a 3-sided box. You will not draw this box with your free hand as I am doing. Okay, you have to take a ruler and pencil. Clear? Otherwise you will spoil this box. Take a ruler and pencil and then only draw this. Okay, don't follow me in this manner. Otherwise your line will not be straight. Box is over. Do not close from the bottom. You don't know up till where your notice is going to be over. Now the very first line, again, one more thing you have to keep in mind. We have drawn the box, no problem. But before that, you have to read the question at least 2 times. Understand the question very nicely, because notice writing is an art. It is a matter of imagination, a piece of imagination and thinking. creativity. Okay, we have to make it very attractive, not only by the look but by our language too. So what you have to do for that, you have to understand the question first. So read the question one time and second time again, try to understand better, and then underline whatever we have to write here. All the important points you will mark. Look at me. You are ABC. We want our name. Our name is required there. What you will sign at the bottom? In the last, we have to put up our name and signature. So you have to underline ABC, name. Then name of the institute, school of Government School Udaipur. Okay, name of the school we want to write here. Yes. Your school is organizing. Organizing means arranging a solo dance competition. This is the heading. Why we have to prepare the notice? For the dance competition. So you underline this point. Clear? Then draft. Draft means prepare, make. A notice to be put up on the school notice board, informing the students for the same. Same means for the solo dance competition, and inviting them to participate. Both the paragraphs are covered here. Full notice is given in the question. Only the trick is how to put up in the form of the body. Okay? All the things are there. Means this is your answer itself, you can assume. Let us see how to do it. First line, name of the school you have to write. So remember children, these first 3 to 4 lines, the heading and all you have to write in the capital block letters only. Running handwriting, cursive handwriting is not allowed either. And full spelling, short forms are also not allowed. So write the full spelling here in capital block handwriting, block letters, Government School. Spelling you can take from the question. All the spellings are given in the question. Name of the place, Udaipur. If you know the state, you can mention in the bracket. Otherwise, if it is not given, you may leave. Okay, Government School Udaipur. Second line is for the heading, notice. In the center, look here. Suppose the name of the school is quite a larger one. It comes up till here. Do not write up till here. You have to see this. If this is your box, in the center of the box, you should write these first 4 lines details. Okay, if you cannot finish here the name of the school, you can continue here in the next line. The name of the place you can write in the second line also. Okay, no problem. Then notice third line, date. D-A-T-E. No need to write this. Directly put today's date. What is the date today? 17 June. So you will write in this manner. June 17, 2020. Okay, look here. This way you have to write the date. Here you can use cursive handwriting. No problem in the date. Then after that, fourth line, heading. Heading means topic of writing, preparing the notice. What is the topic here? Solo dance competition. All the things we have done, underlined here. Okay, and spellings all you can copy from the question. Again, capital block letters. Okay, I'll try to cover up this space. Solo dance competition. Okay, children, I am going fast. You will not be so fast. You will write a little slower. Okay, solo dance competition. Then what next? Body. Now the turn comes to explain you. There are only 2 paragraphs we have to write. In first paragraph 2 lines. In the second paragraph 2 lines. In 4 lines your notice will be finished. So simple. How? In the first paragraph we will inform the students. Okay. See, we are preparing the notice means anybody will prepare the notice in the school? No. Can all the students of your class prepare the notice? No. Some person who has a post designation like the house captain, head boy, head girl, okay, vice captain, cultural secretary, sports captain, principal, director, only these are the persons authorized to prepare the notice. So when they will prepare the notice, what they will do, they will inform the students of the school, okay, that so and so activity is going to be organized, held in your school. Information. In first 2 lines we will inform. In the second paragraph, you will invite the students. Invitation for not for the party celebration, for the activity in which they have to participate. Okay, you will invite them to participate in that activity which is given in the heading. Clear? So some language is also fixed. After writing, I will explain. Let us see. We will start like this. This is to inform. Some language, some sentences are fixed. You will learn by heart. This is to inform all the students that. This is to inform all the students that. This much you will learn. After that, don't put up the bracket here. I'll explain you later. That our school. Okay, now everything is from the question. Your school, so you will write our school is organizing. You can write organizing also. You can write going to organize a solo dance competition. Finish first paragraph. Our school is going to organize a solo dance competition. You can write with the capital letters in the beginning because it is the heading. Name of the activity. Finished. Finished. Only this first one line. Okay, and half of the sentence you can learn by heart. In all the notices you can put up this sentence. Or other way, this is to inform all the students, or all the students are hereby informed. Clear? All the students are hereby informed. You can use any simple language. Then in the center we will put up the details like date, day, time and venue. Venue means place. Venue means place. See, again you have to see that it comes within the box center. Okay, date is, what is the date for the, better not today's date. Again you will not write here 17 June. You will write here, these are the details of your activity day. Okay, so when is the activity? Not given. So we may write 10 days, date for 10 days afterwards. Like suppose today is 17. You may conduct the solo dance competition next week or after 10 days, because you have to keep a gap for making the arrangements. Do not write notice is not issued one day before. Then when will you submit your names? When is the school going to make the arrangements? So date is 25th. Let us write 25th June 2020. Day you don't know. We can write any day. Nobody is going to check. It is only a formality. Let us write Saturday. Activity day. Okay. Then time of conducting this competition. Maybe 10:30 am, 9 am, 10 am, 12 am, 12:30 am, whatever. So I am writing here 10 am. Okay. Then venue, place, where the solo dance competition can be conducted, either in the school auditorium or activity hall. Okay. Or if some large hall is there in your school there, so we have to decide. We can write here auditorium or activity hall. Don't write playground there. For indoor activities, you have to write some name of some of the rooms. So this information again will be in the central part, center of the box. Then I have told you second paragraphs. Again one line. What is that? Interested students. Interested for what? To participate. May give their names. Look here. Interested students may give their names to the undersigned. Undersigned means a person who will sign below this notice, who has issued this notice. Undersigned, on or before. On means on this date or before this date. Now look here, third date. 3 dates we have to mention in every notice. Date of writing the notice here. Date of the activity here for what we are writing the notice. And the date of submission. When you are going to submit your names. So all these 3 dates will be different. Here you will keep a margin of at least 1 week or 10 days. And here submission, name submission date will be the mid date of these two. Okay, if your competition is on 25th, so you will ask the names on 25th itself? No, at least before 2-3 days, 4 days, 5 days. Yes, so we will write a mid date of these two. 17 and 25, we can write 20 June. Okay, on or before June 20th, 2020. Finished. What is the meaning of this on or before? Maybe on 20 June or even before. You may submit your name today itself or tomorrow also, no compulsion. So on or before 20th June. Here your notice is finished. Now you have to sign or write your name. ABC, your name is ABC, written in the question. In the left hand corner, I have told you in the format. Next line, who are you? Not given. So what you will write? Dance competition is a cultural activity. So cultural secretary. We can write in the bracket cultural secretary. This is your post. Who is writing the notice? Suppose the principal is preparing the notice. In the bracket you will write principal. ABC principal. XYZ principal or whatever name is given there. Then we have to close the box from the bottom. Now our notice is over. Take the ruler and pencil. Close it. Children, use pencil only and scale. Why pencil? Because you don't know how many lines you will require to complete the notice. Because after that we have to rub. Sometimes your line is longer. We have to rub out. Okay. Now you can ink out. After that you can make an outline on this line with the pen, no problem. So here finishes your one example. Okay, in the next lecture we are going to deal with some more examples on notice writing. Thank you.